So, this is Gunman66. You guys, this is ridiculous. April 12th. Pretty sure it's the 12th today. I showed you the other night we had, I think it was on the 10th, 7.5 inches that night. Of course, it melted the next day. But yeah, we got 7.5 inches on the 10th. And then, of course, it's still snowing. 2 days later. So these cars just pulled up. Mine has been here for a little while. We'll walk out here and check it out. So yeah, it's still coming down. Let's look up in the sky and see. Can't really, I guess we can, there you go, look at the tree. You can see the snow coming down. And this one now has been sitting here all day because I am not going to drive my baby in the dang snow. And besides that, other people don't know how to freaking drive anyway. They probably crash into me about how smart they are. Anyway, we have got serious snow coming down April 12th. So you guys have a great day. Hope you are warm and toasty where you're at. Idaho spring. This is the spring in Idaho. It's how it always is. Unchanged and unreliable. You guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.